Welcome to Chapter 8, Networking. Here we're going to view and configure IPv4 settings. Now, I'm not really sure how that is often said. I'm not sure if the proper saying is IPv4 or IP version 4, but I'm going to do IPv4. So when you are troubleshooting network connectivity, it is essential that you understand how to view the existing IPv4 configuration to evaluate whether it is a problem. You can view the graphical interface and configure IPv4. This is what we will cover in this video. So we're going into the control panel. You know how to do that already. And go into Network and Internet and Network Sharing Center. Now here you can see the networking that's going on, network, and what we want to do is go over here to Connections and click on Local Area Connection. And then here we're going to click on Details. This shows you additional details about addressing for the network connection. IP version 4 configuration information included here is the physical address. Each network card has a unique identifier similar to a serial number. The physical address is the unique number. It is also sometimes referred to as the Media Access Control or MAC address. Also included here are the IP version 4's IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, DHCP server, DNS servers, and WINS servers. So just about all the information that you want to know about is right here. Now we're going to go into Properties. And we're going to click Internet Protocol version 4, the TCP/IV version 4. So we're going to look for that. There's IP version 6. We don't want that. We want to go into the version 4. We're going to click this and then highlight it and click Properties. This shows you the basic configuration of IPv4. By default, an IP address and DNS server address are obtained automatically through DHCP. Click Use the following IP address. This allows you to enter in a static IP version 4 configuration. In the IP address, we're going to type 192.168.1 and whoops, and then we wanted to put a 1 there. 1. I tabbed. I didn't mean to do that. And in the subnet mask, when I hit tab, this automatically came up, but this is what we want. The 255.255.255.0. And then in the gateway, we want to put what we had put at the IP address, 192.168.1. And then we'll move that over 1. And in the preferred DNS server box, we're going to do the same thing. So 192.168.1 and 1. Okay, so you have all your addresses in. Click the Advanced button. In the Advanced TCP IP settings, you can configure additional options. On the IP Settings tab, you can configure multiple IP addresses and default gateways. So IP addresses and gateways. So you could just add them, edit, or remove them. Click the DNS tab. Here you can see that this tab allows you to control how DNS lookups are performed and whether this computer attempts to register its name with the DNS servers by using dynamic DNS. I see register this connection's address in DNS. Interesting. Okay. Click the Wins tab. This tab allows you to configure how Wins lookups are performed. Some network administrators prefer to disable NetBIOS over TCP/IP to reduce network broadcasts. However, some legacy applications require the NetBIOS. So test your applications before disabling NetBIOS over TCP/IP. Here you can see that mine is set at the default. Use NetBIOS. Here's to enable it over, and here's to disable over. So these are the things that you can do here. So we want to cancel because we're not going to make any changes. And we're going to cancel here. And cancel that one. And close. And that's how you can go in and take a look at your configuration and the graphical interface. Thank you.